On today's episode of Fix My Shit Box, got the Harmonic balancer out. See how this is starting to come apart. So, put this here. I'll show you the other one. So here's the other one. Here's the other balancer pulley. I actually painted it and cleaned it up a little bit. You see this rubber piece right here? That's the one. It's coming apart. So let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure if I'll be able to run the race crank pulley. Look at the difference. That's a huge difference. So I don't know if I'll be able to run this one just because of that. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this sucker back on, or put this other one on, which was free, but put it on and see what happens. Be back. So yeah, I was right. This little race crank pulley's not gonna work. You see how far it sticks out? So I'm gonna have to put the stock one back on. Oh well. All right, guys, put it back together. Moment of truth. Let's turn it on and see if there's nothing abnormal. See if it turns on smoothly. Oh, I need the key, son of a bitch. All right, let's try this again. Oh, it already feels smoother. It used to have a little vibration from startup. Yeah. Now, my favorite part of every repair, the test drive. Alright, so I only went around the block a few. I'm gonna try to get it up on the freeway because that's where it was. That's where it was making the most vibration. But so far, so good. Alright, so we made it back home safely. The repair was a win. Damn, that really sucks. I really wanted to put that race crank pulley on. I guess for some reason I thought they were different, but I guess it has to do something with the brackets and the pulley configurations. So there's other things I'm gonna do to it. I tried to drive on the freeway. I couldn't record because there was a lot of traffic, so that sucks. But the car is running a lot more smoother. There's still like a slight vibration on the shifter, just very, very, very slight. That could be the drive shaft though. Luckily, I have an aluminum drive shaft off a Fox body in the garage, and I might swap it out in the future. So we'll see. So see you guys.